It's a psychedelic reverie of patterns and colors, an art installation in New York that unfolds in front of viewers in a daydream loop. Rafiq Anadol is the human artist behind Machine Hallucination, but his co-creators are algorithms developed by researchers at NVIDIA.
I'm heavily inspired from science fiction, and I'm speculating about our near-future experiences where AI, neuroscience, and architecture collides. In this project, the story is literally an AI goes online and downloads 113 million images of New York.
Algorithms were programmed to gather publicly available images of New York landmarks from social media.
So we focus on collective memories specifically, the buildings, the architecture. Like if you look at Flatiron or if you look at the Empire State, we have like millions of images looking the same building from multiple angles.
The resulting set of images and memories is a window into what the artist calls a machine's mind. Mind. Essentially, it's artificial intelligence. But Anadol wanted to explore whether this same machine mind had a consciousness.
The machines now can learn, and of course as an artist I'm asking, like, can they dream?
His studio developed additional software that was applied to the dataset to generate a multidimensional, dreamlike universe that's ultimately rooted in real-life images. Anadol refers to the digital medium as latent cinema in an age of machine intelligence.
I'm heavily critical about how these technologies are evolving and what they are actually saying to us. So maybe this is one way of understanding how the technology can really be used beyond just fearfully thinking. What else we can do with that is a very, I think, important question.
For this artist, the virtual brush is being dipped into a machine's mind.
I feel like I have a tool that allows me to make the invisible more visible.
Opening viewers' eyes and imaginations. Tina Trinh, VOA News, New York.